Okay.
Ano yan? High school.
Game ka na ba?
Game na.
Okay. What's blue but not heavy?
Ha?
What's blue but not heavy?
Blue? But not heavy? Ano yun?
Light blue. Okay, bigyan natin siya ng chance. Bigyan natin siya ng chance. Chance. 500 na lang. I have 5 fingers, but I'm not a hand. What am I?
Gloves?
Wow! Okay. Kuha o laban?
Kuha.
Okay, you have 500 pesos na.
Saan?
Okay, bilangan mo yan.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5.
5. Another
Okay.
500?